Hi. Have you heard about sustainable building? Sustainable building is a building that maximizes its operational efficiency and minimizing environmental impacts. Throughout the world, there are many of the green buildings that has been completed. These are the countries in Asia that have green projects. Do you like a polluted city or green city? Definitely, everyone love green city with sustainable building. According to GBI Malaysia, green building are certified depends on the following 6 criteria. Our building can be graded as certified, silver, gold and platinum. Our proposed building to be green is UMall, Taman University Skadai. There are several elements to be improved that are: first, social, economy and environment. Facade and glazing. Next, air quality and solar photovoltaic. Water efficiency and acoustic. Energy green lighting. Last is waste management. Hello. 3 pillars of sustainability are a powerful tool for defining the complete sustainability problem. So, what is the impact in this project from the 3 pillar? Let's find out. From social aspect, sustainability can: 1. It can improve the livability of the mall area. 2. It also can increase opportunities for social. 3. It can improving the public health, the impacts of environment, socials and economic. Since UMall is a large building, it will use more energy consumption, use more water, and produce a lot of waste. As a result, it will increase the total consumption in Skadai area, which affect the environment since the residential area also consume energy and water for their daily life. For the economic impacts, shopping mall provide opportunity to communities in enhancing their business to the wider aspects. It is a place of competitive trades that mean a lot of goods and services to be exchanged, so the results to activate a good economy. Now, we will discuss on the facade aspect. Facade is the face of a building. Then, what is the facade at our study project, UMall? Here are some pictures for facade at UMall. To make it green, what will be the recommendation? Our recommendation is to build a green facade living wall. But, what is it? It is a self-sufficient vertical garden that attached to the exterior of the building. The plant will receive water and nutrient from within the vertical support. Next, why we will choose it? It is due to several factors as below. One of the factor is it can reduce heat island effect. This heat is come from exposed wall which radiates sun energy, but vegetation has been shown to reduce this effect. The next benefit is the exterior air quality can be improved as they will absorb carbon dioxide, produce oxygen and filter the pollutants. The building also can be insulated and cooling down as it will keeping heat in winter and acting sunscreen in summer. Moreover, soundproof effect can be achieved through installing green wall, as it will block high-frequency sound. Next, designs of glazing used in green building will be discussed. Then, what is the glazing used at UMall? Here is the picture for glazing at UMall. The problem is how to make it green. Our recommendation is to use low E glass. What is low E means? Low E stands for low emissivity. Next, why we will choose to use it? It is due to low E glass can minimize the amount of ultraviolet and infrared to pass through glass, but without compromising the amount of visible light transmitted. Other than that, it is highly reflective, so low emissivity. Reducing the emissivity of window glass surface can improve its insulating properties. Low E coatings will work on a window the same way as a silver lining works in a thermos. The silver coating will reflect the sun infrared light back outside to maintain the comfortable temperature in the room. The air quality in this shopping mall is terrible. We need to improve it. There are 3 main places need to improve their air quality, which are toilet, followed by interior part of shopping mall, and lastly is food department. To improve the air quality, several systems can be introduced such as supply ventilation system and air conditioning system, which are expensive but useful. Supply ventilation systems work by using fan to force outside air into the building while air leaks out of the building through holes in the bath and fan ducts. It is simple and inexpensive to install. Another viable method is air conditioning system. Central air conditioning system is used to ventilate a number of separate rooms in shopping complex by using its uniform refrigerating system. Next is photovoltaic system. Why need to make UMall become a sustainable building? It is because due to increasing of greenhouse gas emission, pollution, bill electricity and fossil fuel. UMall have a wide roof area. Carbon dioxide emissions at Malaysia is 257.69 million tons carbon dioxide in year 2014. It's very suitable to install PV solar panel on rooftop of UMall. 75 square feet of solar panels are needed to produce each kilowatt of direct current. Majority of commercial systems range between 10,000 watts to 100,000 watts. The common size for commercial applications for solar panel is 77 inches by 39 inches and 72 cells. This system can reduce approximately 360,000 kilograms CO2 per year and reduce shopping complex greenhouse gas emissions. So now, we are going to discuss about the water efficiency in UMall building. First, we can apply a rainwater harvest system to the building. The rainwater collected can be used for cleaning, in the toilet, or even to watering plants. In the toilet, we can change former flash system to a dual pressure flash system. Then, we also can install a digitized toilet equipment which has a sensor that can activate it by a changes of movement, and temperature. Finally, we can change the toilet equipment to a new lower flow rate of water equipment. Acoustic control had been applied by MBO Cinema in UMall by incorporating in the ceiling, wall and floor. First, for the ceiling components, acoustic absorptive ceiling is used to control the noise pollution. For the wall, prefabricated acoustical wall panels had been installed. Besides, floating floor is installed as floor for cinema to create an airspace between floating floor and floor slab to help sound control. Energy efficient lighting is another step to reduce buildings' energy consumption effectively. UMall not only uses fluorescent lighting excessively and place them closely together, but some area are not even turned on. While the standard required illuminance for shopping mall is 750 lux, UMall lighting only ranges between 91 to 390 lux. The poor lighting condition increases unnecessarily enormous energy consumption by placing multiple lights at closed range. It will also increase the cost of electricity and generate a lot of heat with that amount of lighting at certain area. We suggest to change the existing fluorescent lights to light emitting diode, a far more energy efficient lighting. The high LED lamp is highly energy efficient which able to emit more than 300 lumens per watt, and has longer lifespan for up to 100,000 hours. It also gives out high illuminance to large areas in superior color temperature, with no pollution. Next element is waste management. Now, let me take a tour to visit the waste management of this existing building. This is the traditional waste management system of UMall. The rubbish will be stored there for 2 to 3 days waiting for rubbish truck which may come twice a week. Before that, the rubbish will attract insects and animals which cause environment pollution and lead to diseases. We would like to propose a new system that is pneumatic waste conveying system. This is a good idea to be a green building. The system can be placed at both outdoors and indoors. After it is full, the refuse will be transported along the pipelines into the containers at the waste station. This system can reduce carbon dioxide emissions from waste vehicles as well as prevent mess rubbish along the streets. It contributes 2 marks to MR5 in GBI rating. As a conclusion, there are 9 elements recommended to make this existing building to become green building. First is facade by using green facade living wall. Secondly is glazing by applying low E glass. Next is air quality. It can be improved by using exhaust fan and centralized air conditioning system. Fourth is solar photovoltaic by installing it on the roof. Next is improving water efficiency by using rainwater harvest system. The following element is acoustic in cinema by using absorptive ceiling, prefabricated wall panels and floating floor. Next is lighting by changing all the lighting appliances to LED. Last but not least is waste management using pneumatic waste conveying system. By improving all these elements, UMall can be a greener building.